All right, so you've played around with ChatGPT. You've asked it to write simple captions, maybe brainstorm some ideas, help you out with your business, and that's cool. Like normally, you would come here to ChatGPT, make me a IG caption, something very basic and simple. But what if I told you that the same ChatGPT can be trained to think like you, write like you, and handle entire parts of your business without even skipping a beat? So that's what a custom GPT does. So normally, if you're here in ChatGPT and you have the Plus account, you can go over here to GPTs, and even if you have the free account, And even if you have the free account, you can check out some of these in the GPT store. Some of them are actually really cool, and say a lot of them have been really helpful for me. But if you want to have a custom one for your own, you could just go over here to create. So I'll go to my GPTs, and I'll show you just a few that I have. I have Task Manager, Habit Tracker, Expense Tracker, a Journal one, so I could just come into one of these, uh, ask what are your capabilities. So this one is just a basic journaling one, and this is a little bit more advanced because we're getting into action GPTs, but just to show you what it looks like, log a journal entry for feeling good and went to work today. So this one is actually connected to my Notion journal template. So I could just talk to it and it saves a journal entry for me. But that would be in some more advanced courses. So for now, we're going to show you how to make a custom one. So I'll be breaking down what the custom GPT is in just some basic terms and why anyone, especially like coaches, creators, entrepreneurs, even just your everyday individual, especially if you have a busy work schedule, this is how you could build one pretty simply in just a few minutes. So as you can see here in this configuration screen, a custom GPT is your personalized AI assistant built with your tone, your brain, and your business in mind. So here you could give it a name. So we'll call it Coach Guru and helps you with your coaching biz. So you give it a brand voice, who will serve, what you will sell, and how you will work. And you do that all in the instructions. So there's a whole science to these instructions, and really how to really form them together. Some people use Markdown, which has some symbols like this, but you could also just enter it in plain language. So for example, you could be like, um, back tone, you are a coaching expert, sell to other coaches and small businesses, work very beautiful. So just for example, this is what starts to make it different than just a normal GPT. So you're giving it some instructions, some guidelines, and once again, you could do research and even just ask ChatGPT as well. So here, if you click create, this GPT creator will help you create. So you could be like, give me instructions for a good coach. So here you could see that it's updating instructions, and wow, did it all for me. So it gives you just the instructions from the official ChatGPT basis. So now you can click on certain things and just say, help me practice a coaching session. So here in the preview, you can in real time test out your GPT, check out the tone, and have a lot of good debugging done right there. So it becomes an on-demand assistant that sounds like you and actually gets your industry, not some general ChatGPT session when you're repeating context every time. So this remembers your systems, your workflow, and your style. So for an example, if you're a mindset coach, your GPT could be trained to write journaling prompts for your audience in your exact tone using your unique coaching framework. So no copy and paste from Google. It's your brain on demand. So you could even generate a cool little image. And then if you want to get into more nitty gritty, you can also upload files. So here's the knowledge base. Just like normally in the normal chats when you can upload files, these files will be remembered. So this becomes its brain. And once again, there's a whole science to this knowledge section. Then there's a few other capabilities like web search, Canvas to allow coding and writing, and image generation and code interpretation. So for the more nitty-gritty stuff, you can click Create Action. These and more schemas for more actions and capabilities. So before, when I connected my GPT to Notion, this is how you would do that. But that's way more advanced for this video. So once you've created everything and have it all good to go, you can just click on Create. And for now, we'll keep it private, so only I can see it. But you can click anyone to share with your friends, or also put it in the GPT store once you set up your builder profile in the settings. But for now, I'll just save for me. And just like that, you can click View GPT. And once again, this is just very basic, but you can just start with some of the basic questions and go from there. So you don't need to know how to code, you just need to know how you work. So upload the best bios, sample content, product descriptions, even past email examples, and your GPT uses that as reference. So this type of stuff isn't just for the tech bros and the coders anymore. So if you run, like a digital business or have your own side hustles or just in your daily life, I've seen people with their own family and their own friends and their own personal lives. It really helps you in a lot of different ways. The custom GPTs can really help you scale without burnout. So this is the type of stuff we cover in an amazing AI community that I'm a part of, the AI Flow Club. And it's a free, awesome community with creators, coaches, entrepreneurs, business owners, entertainers, tons of amazing people who want to automate smartly without sounding like robots. So we share the behind the scenes of a lot of awesome custom GPTs, just like these ones. And we show really awesome ways to build on your prompts and a lot of cool automation tools, whether it's these GPTs or Apple shortcuts or Notion templates and even make.com, NAN, a lot of awesome stuff that allows you to, for example, run your business while you sleep. So if this was interesting, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're working with. Let me know what custom GPT you made. Thanks. I'll see you later.